In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chat room to your Google Sites step by step. Adding a chat room can greatly enhance the interactive nature of your Google site, allowing visitors to communicate easily. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to tlk.io. This is a simple, user-friendly platform for setting up chat rooms. Once there, you'll see a straightforward interface asking for a chat room name. Go ahead and think of a suitable name that reflects your needs or the theme of your website. For example, if this is for a personal portfolio site, you might name it Personal Portfolio. After you've decided on the name, type it into the provided field and then click on the Join button. This action will set up your chat room and take you directly into it. By doing this, you also create a unique URL associated with your newly created chat room, which will be important in the next steps. Now that you've established your chat room, the next step is to copy the URL link of this chat room. You can do this by highlighting the address in your browser's address bar, right-clicking and selecting Copy. This URL is essentially the gateway to your chat room, so make sure you have it ready for the next phase. The next step is to head over to your Google site. Ensure you're logged into your Google account and navigate to the specific site where you'd like to embed the chat room. Once you're on the desired page, you'll need to add the chat room. Look for the option that says Embed, which is usually found in the site's editing interface. Clicking on Embed will prompt you to enter an URL. This is where you paste the URL link you copied from tlk.io. Right-click in the field provided in the Google Sites Embed tool and select Paste, then confirm by clicking on Insert or a similar button depending on the interface. Once inserted, you'll see a preview of your chat room on the page. It's a good idea to adjust the size or position of the embedded chat room to your liking so that it fits well with the existing content on your site. You can move it around just like any other element in Google Sites. And there you have it. With that final step, you've successfully added a chat room to your Google site. This addition will allow visitors to interact more dynamically, potentially increasing engagement and creating a sense of community within your site. Remember to click Publish on your Google site to make all these changes live. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and your visitors enjoy the new interactive feature.